is a 1995 Mazda Miata. I spent 4 hours today and yesterday cleaning this up. I spray painted this gray. This is actually the primer. I thought it looked good gray. And I replaced the valve cover gasket yesterday by myself. Thanks to all the YouTube guys and a couple of friends, and I painted this black. Now Chris Fix, famous YouTube dude, taught me how to clean it, and I just sprayed the top down, wiped it down. I put plastic over a trash bag over the engine, and I left the sides open, and then I watered it down. I used a plastic restorer for the black. This thing was fucking filthy. Filthy. Yeah, so I took a toothbrush and I scrubbed down all these hoses. These hoses look almost brand new. All of them. So black and shiny with that plastic restorer. There's tough spots down here that I couldn't get down there. But the walls were all covered in fucking grease and oil. There's like a oil leak I had in here. There's oil all down this because it spilt out. I took a toothbrush. I couldn't get all the way down here with it, but I cleaned up all this. Yeah, that's my baby. My next project is to paint her metallic blue. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna primer, paint her. I got some holes I need to fill with some Bondo. I've actually been backed into and hit at a drive-through. The lady didn't see me. It was an older lady. I was still kind of low and she couldn't see me, and she just backed right up into my car, made a dent right here. That's why I got this bra on, to kind of cover the dent and make it look not as bad.